Good morning. Welcome to another video. This is our journey to 3 different odd campsites. So buckle up and let's go.
Good morning, we are the Sawfall family and today we're heading from Broome to a campsite called 80 Mile Beach. It's about 4 hours southwest of Broome. If you're new here, we're a family of 4 with 2 little wild ones travelling the country to see what's out here. We've got no real plan today, we're just kind of chasing the sunshine and see where the road takes us, hey?
We're also going to be bringing you along, so hold on tight.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
The puppy was trying to go toilet. We got to let it go toilet.
It was trying to do a poo,
It was
honey.
trying to do a poo, honey.
I want to hold it.
You can't hold it while it's doing a poo, honey.
Hey guys, we finally made it to 80 Mile Beach. We've just set up the caravan as you saw and we're going to head off and have some ice cream and probably go for a walk on the beach. The kids are itching to get their bikes down, so we're currently getting them down so we can go for a ride on the beach. Well, they can go for a ride on the beach and we'll see what this place is all about and then have an easy tea, do some more exploring tomorrow and see what else there is.
Well, good afternoon. So it's been a couple of days since our last video. You would have seen us at 80 Mile Beach, and so we finished up there for the afternoon. The next day, yesterday, we just went to the beach and just had a pretty chill day. Weather wasn't that great, so yeah, we just hung around the caravan and checked out the beach and got a whole heap of schoolwork done, which was good for the kids, especially Kenzie. And yeah, just tied up the van and all that sort of stuff. which was good. So today we've driven from 80 Mile Beach to Port Hedland. So we're currently staying at the South Hedland Caravan Park. Yeah, which is nice. We stayed here when we got the car service last week, so we're back staying in the same spot. So yeah, we've had a lot of drama with the car today and sort of in the last few weeks with the viscous fan hub and the software in the ECU. So yeah, it's been back at Nissan and they had to do some updates that didn't get done last week. So it's just been a whole big stuff around. Yeah, we were told it was going to take an hour and a half, and so we dropped it in at 1 o'clock today and we're picking it up now and it's 5 o'clock. So yeah, we've had an interesting afternoon. So we're just ducking in now to pick up the car and hopefully should be on the road and we'll show you our campsite.
That was so much fun!
Kenzie, don't push. Good morning all. We are currently down here at the little lookouty thing at Port Hedland. We've just got some coffee, kids have had baby chinos, and we're gonna go to the park for a bit of a play, get some steam out. But yeah, check out these cool little things here. They're like little statuey things. Can't really see the water, but it's over there. Yeah, anyway, come along with us today and we'll see where we end up.
Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are going back to the van and we are having some lunch. Two of us are having a rest and one's doing schoolwork is me. And Nani and Mum are having a rest while Dad helps me with my schoolwork. And we just finished shopping centre, so it's a bit crowded in here. So bye-bye.
Guys, we have arrived at
Dale's campsite.
Dale's campground, yes. As you can see, Brianna's face, turn around, is covered in dirt because these are red dirt sites. She's had the best time this afternoon playing in the rocks and marking around. Do you want to hop down? Okay.
You're videoing that?
It's okay.
No.
Yes? She's had the best time playing in the rocks and in the dirt and all that. We've been running around this afternoon. Kenzie's had a great time too. We're gonna see what's here. We're only here for 2 nights, so tonight and tomorrow night. And then,
And then
we're
next
off
day we're
to
leaving.
another campground which has a couple of gorges and stuff that we'll go to. Yeah, do you want to say anything?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to say?
We have been getting the bikes down a lot longer than we thought. We weren't going to bring them, but then we put the bike racks up, so we decided we were going to bring them.
And you're getting good at riding your bike now, huh?
Yeah, I don't have training wheels here, as you can see,
Yep.
but my sister Brianna has them.
Yeah, but you help her sometimes too, hey?
Yeah,
Nice.
but she still doesn't like it.
She's getting better.
When we went down to the beach, Mum and Dad were videoing and being busy. They were busy, so I pushed Nani because she was screaming. I pushed her like one step away, and she started screaming and yelling.
Yeah.
So I just kind of pushed her back.
Yeah.
But when
Anyway, that was last campsite. We're at this campsite now, and we're going to see what fun things we can do here, hey?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, we are here at the Kirinjari Visitor Centre this morning. We're going to have a quick look around and see what's in here. We've had a pretty slow morning this morning, just done some schoolwork and normal things. But yeah, we're going to have a quick look here and see what this is all about. So come along with us. So we couldn't video anything in there, unfortunately. It was beautiful though.